Visual Behaviour presents you the Aloception Development Kit. Aloception is a software vision sensor that provides smart scene understanding. For the Aloception Development Kit, we have integrated Aloception into a camera with on-chip machine learning. This plug-and-play sensor is designed to help you test Aloception directly on autonomous mobile robots or driver assistance systems. Here is what you will find in the Aloception Development Kit: a Luxonis stereo camera, USB-C cable to USB 3 host port, USB Y adapter for heavy-duty computation or long-range IR projection. The stereo camera has a 150-degree DFOV for stereo pair, an RGB camera, an IR laser dot projector for active stereo to improve depth perception, and an IR illumination LED for low light or night vision mode. Tested on Linux, Aloception can be integrated into projects with Python or interfaced using either UDP, ROS, or a custom protocol. Based on the detection of free space, depth, and obstacles, Aloception offers a bird's-eye view gathering all these valuable information into a practical, top-view representation of the environment. Contact our team now to get your own development kit to test Aloception on your use case and simplify the integration of vision hardware and software for smarter navigation. To find out more about Aloception, please check our videos of the Aloception Bird's Eye View or Aloception use cases.